Hey hairdresser, welcome to Floractive. My name is MJ, I'm a nanoplasty specialist, and today, baby, I'm here to talk about the Express Nanoplasty. I know that all of you are crazy in love with this solution, and I know why. This technology is revolutionary, as all our nanoplasties. This solution here is enriched with the raspberry vinegar, which equilibrates the pH and also reduces the pH of the hair, creating the amazing feeling of softness and also straightening for a short period of time. And you might be asking, what is short period of time, MJ? 2 months, the product will start wearing off the hair. It's amazing, guys. It's an express nanoplasty because it's a solution that takes 45 minutes to be done. The whole service, it's incredible. What is the step-by-steps? Let me tell you. On mist hair, and why I say mist, just for you to not spend a lot of product. So mist the hair with the water a little bit, spray this product on, leave it on from 10 to 25 minutes. After that, you go to the basin and you rinse it out the hair well. You need to be able to remove all the solution out. After that, you're gonna spray the heat protection, obviously the W protection that you already know, and also you're gonna dry this hair 100%, or you can blow dry this hair. If you blow dry, you pass the straightener a little bit after the blow dry just to enhance the straightening power. But let me tell you, you can use this product after the bleach, you can use this product as a treatment alone, and you can use this product even after the nanoplasty, just a retouch on the regrowth. It's an amazing product, extremely versatile, and has been taking off as a storm in Australia. The Australian lovers are loving the Express Nanoplasty by Floractive. This is one of the newest releases in Australia, and I'm so excited today to explain to you a little bit more about this product. Also, this product here is amazing if you are looking just for taming the curls or even frizz reduction. It's an amazing solution because it's quick, it's efficient, and gives an amazing result. If you haven't tried Hairdresser, it's your turn right now to give to your clients a quick and efficient service on the same day. I hope you enjoyed this video and try the Express Nanoplasty, the raspberry vinegar, very, very soon. I see you later. Bye.